The best Amazon affiliate WordPress plugin is finally here. Introducing AI ShopFinder Pro, a powerful WordPress plugin that can transform your ordinary affiliate blog into an AI powered shopping assistant in just a few minutes to make money online. Instead of forcing visitors to browse through dozens of articles, AI ShopFinder Pro lets them simply ask questions in natural language, such as what's the best protein powder for muscle gain, or recommend a blood pressure monitor for seniors. The AI understands their needs and provides personalized product recommendations along with a clear explanation of why each product is a great fit. And here is the best part. Every recommendation includes a buy on Amazon button that automatically uses your Amazon affiliate IDs. So when a visitor clicks through and makes a qualifying purchase on Amazon, you can earn an affiliate commission. But wait, it's even get better. AI ShopFinder Pro is completely developed by me from scratch, from the AI shopping experience to the WordPress integration. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know from installing the plugin and configuring it on your WordPress website to show real-world use cases and how your visitors can start discovering products with AI. So let's dive in and see AI ShopFinder Pro in action. So this is the fitness nutrition blog we will use to demonstrate our plugin named AI ShopFinder Pro. Okay, and it has very nice sections with blogs and everything else. As you can see, we have the blogs available over here with some nice blogs written on it already. Okay, so let me show you how can you install the plugin and use it on this website. So let's go to plugins, click on add plugin. After that, click on upload plugin and let's choose our file. And here we have downloaded our file. Let me simply click on install now. And after that, let's activate the plugin. And amazing, it is asking us for our license key. So you will be able to find this option under settings, AI ShopFinder Pro, if it didn't pop up for you automatically. Okay, so let me put my license key and let's click on activate button and our plugin has been activated successfully. As you can see in plugin license status, it says active premium license. Okay, other than that, we can see some notices over here. Okay, it's asking us to add OpenAI key, also our Amazon affiliate ID. Okay, so let me simply scroll down and add these details. Other than that, we have the shortcode over here which we can simply add on our page, post or any Elementor widget to show our chat widget. Okay, so let me simply add the OpenAI API key. If you don't have one, you can simply buy one from OpenAI API platform. Okay, so let me simply paste my API key over here. So after that, we have the option to add our associate ID. So we can put any demo ID for now. Normally for USA it ends with 20 and UK it ends with 21. You will get your unique affiliate ID once you sign up for Amazon Associates program. Okay, after that we have the store regions to select. We have the multiple store options according to your country, whether it's USA, UK, France, Italy or any other Amazon location. Okay, other than that, we have the option to enable or disable the cache to save our API credits. If a user search the similar terms or multiple users search the similar terms, then it will use the browser cache to display those results rather than making the API search every time. Okay, after that, we have the option to add affiliate disclosure after every search result. Okay, and it's very important to have this disclosure on because it's under Amazon policies to disclose that you are an Amazon affiliate and you earn by qualified purchases. Okay, other than that, we have the options to customize the colors, the text and everything else. So let me simply save these changes first of all, and after that let me simply create a page and add a shortcode over there so that you will be able to see it in live action. And after that, we will go ahead and customize our widget. Okay, so let me add a page named as AI assistant, and after that let me paste our shortcode under code section and let's publish this. Once the page will be published, let me simply view the page, and as you can see, this is looking insane now. Okay, now it's looking very professional and nice. Search bar, let me simply disable the title so that we can get rid of that title on the top of our chat widget. Okay, so here let me refresh the page. So this AI assistant title should be gone, and here we go. So check this out guys, this is the default look of our chat widget. We can customize it look however we want. So let me simply click on the customizer to pick the brand colors for this website. Okay, so for the demo purposes, let's pick this light blue color for the background, and after that let's pick this green. So let's go to our theme settings. Let's go to our plugin settings and let me update the background color over here. Okay, so let me replace the color right now. Okay, so it's done. You can simply change the primary text and link color as well. After that, we have the option to change the search button color as well. So let me simply go and pick up this green color hex code and let's paste it into our plugin settings to change that as well. Okay, and after that let's scroll down and save the changes, and the look will be updated within seconds. Okay, so let me refresh the page and check this out, guys. This is how easy it is for you guys to change the colors, the font families and everything else. It has tons of options available. You can almost customize all the colors listed on it or all the text listed on this chatbot front end. Okay, so this is amazing. So let me show you how can you customize the headline. For now it says fitness blog website AI assistant. So let me write something like that, AI assistant for you. Okay, so after that simply you can change the font families as well. You can customize for font or headline however we want. We can choose the default font family getting used by this current theme right now. Okay, so there are tons of options. You can use it as per your preferences. After that we have this suggestion chips options. So let me customize it according to this niche. So you can customize it however you want according to your blog niche and everything else. After that we have contact page URL section available over here. If your plugin throws any kind of API errors or any kind of connection errors, then your visitors will be able to contact you directly and let you know. Okay, so you can put the contact page of your website over here, and let me simply save the changes and everything should be reflected right now. So let me simply refresh the page and this chipset has been changed, the text has been changed, the color has been modified and lots of other. So we have lots of options available over here. Let me simply change the text to AI shopping assistant for you, so it will make more sense to our visitors. Okay, so this is how you can customize it and tailored it according to your brand and according to your preferences. So let me simply make a search for best treadmills for home, and it will search all the blogs and relevant data available. Okay, and it will give us a personalized recommendation for that particular search. Also it will add an disclosure over here at the footer that as an Amazon associate you will earn for each qualified purchases. Okay, after that when you will click on view on Amazon button or buy on Amazon button, you will be able to see your affiliate ID in the search URL. Okay, and after that you have the product recommendation listed over here. For example, this is Nordic track treadmill. And okay, let's take another example. If that particular product is not getting delivered to the visitor's location, then they will get a similar kind of product recommendations from another brands. Okay, so even if they end up buying something else after visiting your link, you will still earn a commission. Amazing, right? This is very cool. Okay, so I have searched the premium yoga mats for couples. Okay, so this is how it gives us all the information using bullet points and nice paragraphs letting you know the benefits and tailor recommendations that why this particular product is fit for you. And when you will click on buy view on Amazon, you will be able to see that particular product listed on the top. Okay, so this is how insane this plugin is. Okay, so you can supercharge your normal blogs using this AI assistant. You can promote it using your social media. Let me take another use case example so that you will know that it is not limited to one particular niche. You can search almost any kind of product, any kind of product recommendations using this plugin. Okay, so if someone searches for an iPhone charger on this fitness blog, they will still able to get the recommendations and they will still be redirected to Amazon using your affiliate ID. Okay, so let me show you another use case example of adding this chat widget into your blog post. So if you have a nice written blog post, let's say this one is for muscle gain and weight loss 2026 protein powder. Okay, and it has listed nice product recommendation with buy on Amazon button, which is manually written by an author. Okay, but what if a visitor is interested in something else after reading this blog? So you will have the option to integrate your AI chatbot widget to integrate at the end of this blog, so that they will be able to search something else they might be interested with some questions recommendations. Okay, so just go to the code section of that blog and paste the short code. And so let me simply copy the short code from here. Oh, by the way, I have modified the background color for this short code right now. Okay, so let me simply paste the code over here and let's publish this. Let's update the blog, and after that let's refresh the page, and you will be able to see our AI shopping assistant right into our blog. So there are lots of questions you can list over here, which they might be interested, or they can ask their own tailored question which might be in their mind after checking this blog. So I am searching what's the best protein powder for women. Okay, so it will search the internet and it will give us the tailored data with the clear explanations why this particular protein powder can be a best fit for a woman. Okay, with the nice benefits and everything else. So a visitor would be more convinced to buy that particular product because she already know the top benefits of buying this particular product. Okay, so this is how you can use it for multiple use cases inside your blogs, in your pages, or as a chatbot visit, or however you want. There are tons of options and the product recommendations are great. Okay, so if they get redirected to Amazon using your link and they buy something else, still you will get some commissions for that particular product as well. Now let me show you how can you add the page into your menu so that it can be easily accessible to your visitors. Okay, so let me simply add this AI shop assistant into the menu under appearance, and let's refresh the page and you will be able to see it on the top. Okay, so this is how you can use it to multiply your revenue up to 5x or 10x, and you can simply promote this kind of product using social media handle that, hey guys, I just launched this AI assistant on my blog. Okay, so let me show you how can you buy this plugin. I have pasted the link of my website into the description. You can simply go and check out our landing page. After that, you will be able to see the licensing options. So we have two licensing options available for now. One is for lifetime and one is for annual licensing. Okay, so let me simply show you how can you buy the annual license. Simply click on this button, get annual license, and after that you will be able to put your email address, names, and your card details and make the payment, and after that you will be able to download the plugin file and the license code. So I hope you have liked this plugin so far. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments, and let me know about anything else you would recommend me to add as a feature. I will definitely look into it.